Hello everyone, me and Bear are coming to you guys with a brand new milestone in my natural hair journey. And now, yes, I do say my because Bear, what's going on? You haven't grown not a bit of fur in the past few months, okay? Are you stressed? He did start working a new job at racetrack, okay? So are you stressed? You know what? Go take a nap. Go take a nap. I know you have a shift coming up, so you go ahead. You take a nap. I got the channel. The new milestone, if you have not noticed, is what's this? Is this a high poof? Yes, y'all, I have reached the high poof stage, okay? I have crossed over. I haven't left y'all. I'm still with you. But I definitely have crossed over into the high poof stage. Now, I'm actually excited because the last time I told you guys, why I don't wear high poofs, it's because if you're in the TWA phase, and even if you're in the TWA phase, slightly crossing over into the medium length phase, but you still ain't made it to the medium length phase yet, you have no business forcing your hair into a high poof. Because to be truthful, if you force it into a high poof when you're nowhere near ready, you're just going to break off your edges and the perimeters of your hair. All right? And on top of that, the whole reason we love high poof so much is because of these big, voluminous, glorious, kinky bunny puff on top, okay? If you don't have a big bunny puff, it's really not even worth it, you know what I mean? So instead of forcing it and rushing into the high poof, I really highly suggest treating it as a treat or a reward for having such a nice natural hair journey, okay? You will know when it's time for you to safely cross over to the high poof stage. All right, if you're fighting with your hair to get it into a high poof, you're not ready. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily and safely get your hair into a high poof. And in order to make this video happen, I actually teamed up with My DNA. I was born this way. Okay, I teamed up with them for their Hydrating Co-Wash Conditioning Cleanser and their Moisturizing Hair Butter. Now, I feel like you guys have seen this brand, at your local beauty supply store or just wherever, but like I rarely ever see this brand on YouTube. So I really wanted to get my hands on this. I'm so happy that they sent these to me because I've always wanted to know if these were worth the coin. So that's what we're going to see today. Alright, so my hair is actually damp. Dang it. Alright, well, we'll make do. So, here I have the Hydrating Co-Wash. It is supposed to remove product buildup and residue without stripping the hair completely of its natural oils and moisture. And it is sulfate free. So, let's get in to this. Oh, that smells really good. Conditioner. Now, I am going to kind of slap this in my hair because my hair is like, it's just damp. So, I'm going to go ahead and slap this in real messy like and then go in and do my sections. Alright, so they actually sent me a wide tooth comb as well. But y'all know I'm super into my detangler. But I'm going to try it for y'all just so you know if it's worth the coin or not. I'm going to try it. Alright, it looks like this. Bam, bam, bam. So let's see. As you can see, I'm not that experienced using an actual comb. It's actually not that bad. It actually feels kind of good in a weird way. And if you're wondering what all these little flyaways are, I need to get a trim. And that will be coming soon. Because when I did that last video, what happens when I don't wash my hair for a month? Yeah. I received a lot of breakage from not washing my hair for a really long time. If you don't know what I'm talking about, you can check that video out. I will leave it in a pop-up up here. And basically, yeah, like I got stressed out for the month of January or the month of December, one of those. And then I just didn't do my hair. And so I received a poop ton of breakage. So definitely check that video out, and that will explain why I have all those little flyaways. Alright, just so we're clear, I just washed the co-washing conditioner out, and I must say, my hair is not squeaky clean or anything like that. It's literally moisturized and it feels clean. Do you kind of get what I mean by that? It really wasn't stripping, but it actually feels oddly clean. Now, I wouldn't be using this Hydrating Co-Wash as a freaking wash day conditioner or shampoo or anything of the sort, but for a wash and go and a high poof, I like what y'all are doing here. Okay, so we're going to take this hair butter, and this is like really liquidy. If you can see, you can see that it's kind of weird. It's a moisturizing hair butter, but let's get into it and see what it does. Okay. Now I'm actually just going to be putting this hair butter in just so I can see if it's like really worth the time or the effort or anything. Because hair butters and leave-in conditioners have never really been like amazing and astounding to me. I think the only thing that's like astounding when it comes to moisturization is just conditioner with me. Everything else just feels like it sits on my hair. So we shall have to see. And then the only thing I'm going to put on there is the Renewing Argan Oil of Morocco Extra Penetrating Oil for dry and coarse hair. Just to seal that in, get it on my ends. And then I'm just going to do that around my entire head. All right, let's go. All right, so overall, one pointer that I could give about this product is for it to really feel moisturizing, you really need to make sure that you are detangling your hair, okay? If you're not detangling your hair, it can give off this kind of dry like feel. But if everything's detangled, you should be good with your hair being moisturized. And of course, with me being low porosity, the hair butter actually leaves like a little bit of white residue in it. But in the next 30 minutes or so, that should all dry up. So it's time to get to poofing this guy, okay? Now, what I'm actually going to be using is not a rubber band. It's not a string. It's not anything like that. I'm actually using this hairband that's a braided black hairband, and it was connected together, and the little elastic was in this this kind of clothy part. So I actually cut the elastic right here, and I am left with this kind of stretchy braid. So I'm using this because rubber bands tend to, I don't know, they tend to lose elasticity and not give you the look that you like. And they have the potential to rip out your hair from the perimeter. So I wanted something that was cloth-like and kind of cloth stretchy. That way my hair wouldn't get caught up in the whole evil rubber band plot. Okay, I feel like rubber bands are out to get us kinky textures. So I felt like this was perfect. Alright, so what I do is I take this and I put it behind my hair. And before I start, I do want to add a little bit of Curl Stimulator by Uncle Funky's Daughter. You can use Eco Styler gel or whatever you want. I don't really need gel for this style because this is just a wash and go. I want to be able to take it down and whip my hair around without it being stuck in place. But this curl stimulator pretty much does the trick when I need my hair to lay down without, being too hard from gel. But anyways, now you're just going to take your rubber band, not rubber band, but your little cloth elastic thing, and you want to do this as gently as possible. And make sure you remove all of the hair out of the way. And you're going to tie a little knot on your forehead. On your forehead, guys. Because this is where things get dangerous. You see how I made the little knot there? If you do that on your hair is going to curl into the knot and rip off. So you want to make sure you're doing it on your forehead first. Put your little pinky there, and of course you are going to slide the rubber band up, and you kind of want to do it quickly so everything's nice and elegant. Okay. And then while it's still on your forehead, you want to pull. All the while making sure that your hair is not in the way of the knot. Now, I'm going to be honest with you. In my personal opinion, this is all up to you. But the more you hike your rubber band up in the back, which means the more your hair is going to come forward, or the more your high poof is going to come forward, I think the sexier, okay? When you keep it down here, you kind of look like you have a mushroom sitting on top of your head. So I like to try and hike mine up as high as I can possibly do it. And then the more you hike it up, the more you want to go in and pull it tighter. Put your finger there. And also, to give the illusion that you're actually rocking a ponytail, you want to bring the sides in. And then come around and push the other side in. And then give it one more good tug. But first, I'll make sure my hair ain't in the way. Alright. And you want to make sure that you kind of keep your knot in the front of your hair. Now, it's up to you how you want your high poof to look, but I actually like mine to kind of sit in my face. So I don't want to bring the knot of this too far back because I don't want people to really see the front of my hair. That's just how I like to do my high poofs. See? Still not on my hair. Now, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to knot this guy. I swear this takes the longest for me because I'm always like, no, you're not ready. It's not time. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to hurry up and knot it so I'm not wasting your time. And bam, simple as that. Now, when you do this though, you want to kind of go back in and make sure that you gently remove any hairs that might be in the knot. Now, my knot is not completely tied down. It's like a loose double knot. But that's just so I can go back in and remove all of my baby hairs that might have got caught. Because once you really tighten up that knot, it's going to eat up your baby hairs. So bam, we're good to go. Now I'm just going to take these two pieces and shove them somewhere that no one can see. Now I'm going to be using that same product to go ahead and do my edges. Now, you know, everybody notice your edges, what you do with your edges is your own business, okay? But I'm going to be going in and cleaning it up. And sometimes with this style, I mainly like to kind of just make my edges come out a little bit more. Like, they don't have to be anything specific, but I do like this kind of dirty, curly look. Don't ask me why. It probably looks hideous in real life, but in my brain, I like it. Now, probably my favorite way to wear a high poof is right after a braid out. Like, that's my favorite type of high poof. But on a wash and go, I am feeling this. I'm feeling this, okay? Major key, when you do this, make sure that your hair is moisturized, okay? So make sure whatever, you know, conditioner or shampoo that you're using is hydrating, all right? That's why I chose the My DNA Hydrating Co-Wash, because if your hair is not moisturized when you go to do a high poof, I guarantee you that rubber band right here, whatever you're using, is going to break off your edges. All right, it's as simple as that. But y'all, comment down below if you are excited about this high poof stage. Are y'all in the high poof stage yet? Let me know so I can show you guys some more tips and tricks and styles with high poofs. Cause this ain't it. I got plenty of styles for high poofs, y'all. So let me know. Give this video a thumbs up and click that subscribe button. I mean, you made it all the way to the end of this video, so why not? And I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace out.